What's going on YouTube? Today I want to talk to you about 10 gifts that your woodworker really wants this holiday season. My name's Andy, this is Cedar River Woodworking. Welcome to the show. Now, with all of these gifts, you want to make sure that you have good communication with the person that you're getting gifts for, because they may already have some of the tools, or they may not need them or want something different than what you might get them. So today I want to talk to you about 10 things that your woodworker really wants this holiday season. I say really wants this holiday season because I took a poll across all of my social medias to find out exactly what everybody wanted this holiday season. Stay tuned in for number 10 because it might surprise you more than the rest of them. Let's jump right in and show you what exactly everybody wants this holiday. So for our first one, the overwhelming majority of everybody said time. They want more time in the shop. How can that look? A free Saturday here, some extra time during the weekdays that you can work on things. I even came up with this handy little coupon book to help everybody else out. And you can write things in here about one free Saturday without the kids, one free day in the shop, things like that. Now, if you're gonna do coupons like this, you're gonna wanna make sure that that is your top priority to make sure that that is something that actually happens. Now, if you're the type of person that you wanna have some special time with your someone, let them know. Go out in the shop with them and help out. Leave all the conversation about everything else in life. Just leave it on the table. When you're in the shop, ask what they're doing, ask how you can help, and keep the conversation towards the projects themselves. For number 2, we're going to talk about some PPE. These are some Isotunes earplugs. Now, they are Bluetooth rated, so you can plug in your phone to them and jam out while keeping your ears protected. There are different versions of these. So there's like these that are a wired earbud. There are some that have over-the-ear protection like earmuffs. And then there's also some that have the earmuffs that have pass-through. So if you walk into the shop while somebody's working, they can hear everything else that's going on, but when a loud noise happens, it will cut that out and protect your ears at the same time. They do also have some true wireless earbuds like you would see for high-end earbud equipment and working out, things like that. All of that is rated so that you can protect your ears. For our next gift, give them wood. Now, I know what you're thinking, and always remember, stay safe in the shop. But we're talking about hardwood. Find a reputable dealer in your area that can help out with this. There is a gift later on that can help them mill this wood to its correct thickness. If they don't have the ability to do that, you can get wood that's called S4S and surface 4 sides, and it will come ready for a project. I will leave a link in the description of 3 different manufacturers that are great at shipping hardwoods straight to your door. For our next gift, we are going to talk about chisels. Now, using chisels and different hand tools are one of the most important things that woodworkers can do. It helps clean up different cuts and make everything perfect so that we can get our joints correctly. Now, this is a fairly simple Rex Betty set. I will have linked a couple Narex ones. Now, when you get chisels, you're gonna want some high-end ones so that the blades stay sharp and you can stay safer so you're not slipping into yourself while you're using these. Another thing that goes along with the chisels is a sharpening system. So I use some float glass and some sheet paper to get everything sanded for mine. A quality sharpening system is imperative to make sure that these things stay sharp. For our next gift, we're going to talk about wood glue. I have Titebond Original and Titebond 2 here. These are the 2 that I use the most often. Now, if your partner or the person you're making these gifts for is making some cutting boards, you're going to want some Titebond 3 because it's going to be a waterproof glue and it will set up and stand up to hand washing those cutting boards. This is one of my favorite glue applicators. It's just a roller on top and the glue spreads out on top of it. I will link these and my favorite glue bottle in the description below. For our next gift, we're going to talk about clamps. On clamps, on clamps, on clamps. This is yet another tool that you will always hear woodworkers say, you can never have too many clamps. It always seems that you're in the middle of a project, got everything all clamped up, and you need one more clamp to get everything just right. This is one of my favorite style clamps here. It's a F-body clamp, and parallel clamps are very good for making sure that panels stay straight. This next one is a simple one. Gift cards. Get them from wood-related stores so that your person that's receiving the gifts can move their woodworking experience further forward. If you don't know which clamps to get or what wood to get, Rockler and Woodcraft are great places to get them from. You can also get Amazon gift cards, and you can get plenty of woodworking tools off of Amazon. All right, so what we have next are these two machines. I'm slightly kidding about that, but this is a joiner and a planer. What these two machines do will help machine down that new wood that you got for your woodworker. These two machines also come in combo units at a fraction of the price of these two industrial sized machines. And what that will do is help save space and save you money. For our next gift, we're going to talk about a track saw. What a track saw is a circular saw with a straight track so you can get straight, accurate cuts. This thing has saved me an incredible amount of time and an incredible amount of effort. And here's the one that might surprise you. Heat. Give us heat in our shops. Now this one I might be a little bit biased on because I'm currently in the process of trying to heat the shop that I work in. I currently work in an unheated space, and it can be kind of hard sometimes. Now, this is also outside of just heating a shop. There could be other shop improvements that your partner wants to do, and that could be included in that time gift. Now, with all of these gifts, you want to make sure that you have good communication with the person that you're getting gifts for, because they may already have some of the tools, or they may not need them or want something different than what you might get them. Woodworkers, if there's been anything that I've missed throughout this entire video, please let me know down in the comment section, and we can try and add it to the list of things that we already have. I hope this video has helped you out finding gifts for your woodworker this holiday season. For now, my name is Andy. This has been Cedar River Woodworking, and we will see you in the next video. This has been Cedar River Woodworking. Why can I not say that word?